Power just went out everywhere. That just killed all the power. As you can see, everything around me went out. All the street lights are down.